The device includes spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Install the bracket. Handle installation. Insert the handle plug into the corresponding socket on the main unit until a clear click is heard. Filter installation. There are 3 filters. Select one and place it in the groove. Place the handle into the holder. Water filling. Remove the sealing caps from the injection and overflow ports. Attach the funnel to the injection port. Fill with pure or distilled water until it flows from the overflow port. Remove the funnel and securely replace the sealing caps. Connect the power cord. Release the emergency stop button and turn on the key switch. Choose hair removal. Parameter adjustment. Filter selection, 640 nanometers. J/CM superscript 2 recommendation, 20. RF recommendation, 6. Cooling recommendation, 5. Click ready to start. Click standby to end. Choose skin rejuvenation. Parameter adjustment. Filter selection, 530 nanometers. J/CM superscript 2 recommendation, 22. RF recommendation, 7. Cooling recommendation, 5. Click ready to start. Click standby to end. Choose pigmentation therapy. Parameter adjustment. Filter selection, 530 nanometers. J/CM superscript 2 recommendation, 21. RF recommendation, 4. Cooling recommendation, 5. Click ready to start. Click standby to end. Choose vascular therapy. Parameter adjustment. Filter selection, 530 nanometers. J/CM superscript 2 recommendation, 15. RF recommendation, 5. Cooling recommendation, 5. Click ready to start. Click standby to end. Choose acne therapy. Parameter adjustment. Filter selection, 480 nanometers. J/CM superscript 2 recommendation, 12. RF recommendation, 3. Cooling recommendation, 5. Click ready to start. Click standby to end. Choose OPT/SHR. Parameter adjustment. Plus recommendation, 5. Frequency recommendation, 5. Energy, 20. Cooling suggestion, 5. Click ready to start. Click standby to end. Power off the device and unplug the power cable. Water drainage. Remove the sealing cap from the drainage port and attach the funnel. Remove the cap from the overflow port. Wait until all water drains completely. Secure both caps back onto the overflow and drainage ports.